Right now, somewhere in the world, a machine is looking at a photo you posted, not admiring it, not liking it, not sharing it, studying it. Your smile, the lighting in your room, the brand of shoes on the floor behind you, the reflection in your sunglasses, the shape of your face as you age year after year. Every pixel becomes data. And the unsettling truth is this: the photo you uploaded for friends may now be training the artificial intelligence that is learning how to see you. Because in the age of AI, your memories are no longer just memories. They are raw material. Every day, humanity uploads billions of images: vacation selfies, birthday parties, gym mirrors, food photos, graduation pictures, random moments captured without a second thought. To us, they are harmless pieces of life. To artificial intelligence systems, they are something else entirely. They are training data. Modern AI does not learn the way humans do. It does not read textbooks or attend classrooms. It learns by observing massive oceans of information, and the internet has become the largest classroom ever created. Photos shared on social media platforms, public images from blogs and forums, profile pictures, street photos, event photos, each one becomes another example. Another lesson, another data point teaching machines how the world looks. At first, the idea sounds harmless. Machines learning to recognize objects, faces, landscapes, emotions. But something subtle is happening in the background. The more images AI studies, the better it becomes at understanding people. Not just what we look like, but who we are. A single photo can reveal far more than most people realize. The shape of your face can indicate your age. Your clothing style hints at your lifestyle. Your surroundings expose where you might live. Background objects reveal hobbies, brands, habits. Even reflections in mirrors or windows can contain hidden details. What once looked like an ordinary selfie can become a complex puzzle piece in a massive digital portrait of your life. Now imagine millions of those puzzle pieces, collected, processed, connected. The result is something far more powerful than a single photo. It becomes a behavioral map. Artificial intelligence systems are trained to recognize patterns. The more examples they see, the more accurate those patterns become. Faces become easier to identify across different angles and lighting. Locations become easier to predict from subtle environmental clues. Objects become easier to recognize instantly. What used to require human attention now happens in milliseconds. And every new photo uploaded anywhere online quietly strengthens that ability. But here is where the story takes an unexpected turn. Many of the people uploading these photos never agreed to train AI. They simply shared moments of their lives. Yet across the tech industry, large data sets of internet images have been used to train machine learning systems for years. Researchers, startups, and massive tech companies rely on enormous collections of images to teach algorithms how to interpret the visual world. And the internet provides those images in endless supply. Public content, open galleries, social media posts. Images meant for friends can quickly become part of something far larger. The process is often invisible. In another case, a school teacher in Europe discovered that her images had been scraped from public profiles and placed into an AI dataset used to train facial recognition systems without her knowledge. And perhaps one of the most disturbing examples involves deepfake technology. A college student once uploaded normal selfies to social media. Months later, she discovered those same images had been used to generate fake videos of her face using AI software. The videos spread across parts of the internet before she even knew they existed. She had never given permission. She had never even imagined that something like that could happen. But the AI that created those videos had learned from countless real photos online, photos just like hers. These are not isolated stories. They're early warning signs of how powerful image-based AI systems have become. But the deeper concern is not just misuse, It is scale. Artificial intelligence does not analyze one image at a time the way humans do. It processes millions simultaneously. Patterns that would take a person decades to notice can be discovered by algorithms in hours. And the training never stops. Every new upload strengthens the system. Every new photo adds another layer of understanding. And here's the strange paradox of the modern internet. We built platforms to express ourselves, to document our lives, to be seen. But the more visible we become, the more we feed systems designed to observe us at scale. Not just individuals looking at our profiles, but machines learning from every detail. The lighting, the posture, the background, the patterns of humanity itself. So the natural question becomes, is there anything ordinary people can do? The answer is yes, but it requires awareness. One of the simplest protections is limiting how publicly your photos are shared. Many platforms default to public visibility, meaning anyone and anything can access the images. Switching profiles to private reduces the chances of large-scale scraping. Another overlooked detail is location data. Many smartphones embed GPS coordinates into photos. When uploaded online, that hidden data can reveal exactly where the image was taken. Turning off location tagging in camera settings removes that invisible breadcrumb. Even small habits can make a difference. Avoid posting high-resolution close-ups of identification documents, boarding passes, work badges, or street signs near your home. These details provide powerful clues for both algorithms and malicious actors. Some people also choose to watermark images or compress them before posting. Lower resolution photos provide less useful training material for AI models. And perhaps the most powerful defense is something far simpler. Pause before posting. Ask a quiet question. If this image existed online forever, would you still upload it? Because in many ways, that is exactly what happens. Once an image enters the digital ecosystem, it can spread far beyond its original audience. Copied, archived, analyzed, sometimes in ways the original creator never imagined. Of course, not every image becomes part of an AI training system. Many remain simply where they were posted. But the possibility alone reveals something profound about the era we live in. For the first time in history, humanity is unintentionally teaching machines how to understand us, simply by living online. Every smile captured, every celebration documented, every casual photo shared with the world. Each one becomes a lesson, a fragment of data, a tiny contribution to a growing intelligence that never sleeps. And as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, one quiet reality remains. The cameras are already everywhere. The algorithms are already learning, and the next photo you upload might not just be seen by your followers, it might become part of the training manual for the machines that will watch the world tomorrow. Because in the age of AI, every image tells a story, but not just the story you intended to share.